The objectives of this field trip is to identify and observe the behavior of small otter and long-tailed macaca in terms of their communication and social behavior. Small claw otter, or the scientific name is Ionic cinereus, is distributed at Southeast Asia, including the islands of Sumatra, Java, Borneo, and Palawan, and India. They live in riverine habitat, freshwater wetland, mangrove swamps, estuaries, tidal pools, and coastal lagoon. The small otter consume mollusks, crabs, small aquatic animals, mudskippers, crayfish, and snails as their diets, and it varies seasonally. The average lifespan of small otter is they able to live for 10 to 15 years and can reach to 20 years if live in zoological parks. Their conservation status is vulnerable. Small otter has a vocabulary of at least 12 different vocalizations. Vocalizations used for contact, summons, greeting, track, and alarm calls. Body rubbing is one type of grooming behavior. Small otters spend substantial amount of time grooming, and they have designated areas on land for drying and grooming their fur. Otters dry themselves by rolling on the ground or rubbing against logs or vegetation. Walking, running, and climbing are a type of land locomotion where the otter move on the ground structure by fast or slow locomotion and climbing to high structure with head up. Otter groom their fur to maintain its insulating qualities. They use their paws and claws to remove debris and to comb their fur. The flexible body of otter and loose-fitting skin allow them to reach every part of its fur. Swimming and diving are locomotion of otter in shallow or deep water with the head out and head under the water. They submerge their head, then the feet by arcing of the back and lips out of water with arched torso that clearly visible. Otter move on the land with the head down and the nose really close to the ground. The paws of otter used to move vegetation, to dig into substrate, or claw at wooden structure. Long-tailed macaca, or also known as crab-eating macaca, with the scientific name is Macaca fascicularis, is distributed in Southeast Asia, Bangladesh, Malay Peninsula, and Singapore, island of Philippines, Thailand, and Indochina. And the diets of this type of macaca is crabs, fish, insect, bird eggs, native fruit and seed, flowers, and grasses. They live in lowland rainforest, shrubland, riverine, coastal forests of Nepal palm, and mangrove. They can live up to 25 years and up to 37 years if lives in captivity. The conservation status is invasive species, and they become a threat to biodiversity in severe locations. Playing or chasing behavior of macaca is the chasing or exploring movement but with no particular purpose. This species may play by itself or play with two or more individuals. Macaca undergo activities such as scratching or cleaning of the body with hands, feet, or mouth. They might groom itself, grooming other individual, or being groomed by other individual. Cleaning is the activity which involves contact by a monkey to another monkey's body, which mostly likely to be a mother and infant relationship. They will be clasping onto fur on skin with their hands and feet. Macaca consume food item into the mouth or chewing on food. They exploring its enclosure and searching for a resource. Moreover, they might also use tool to apply to consume food, such as using tool to open nuts, oyster, or sea snails. The movement of macaca between locations, such as movement on the stem of different tree, move on the land by walking, jumping, and climbing on structure or trees. Body rubbing behavior were increased at the minutes of 15 as they climb on the ground after swimming, while foraging and digging behavior also increased at the minutes of 15 as this behavior was executed by otter right after they rubbed their body on the land. Swimming and diving behavior can be seen along the time during the observation, where the otter swim frequently at the minutes of 5, 15, and 20, while social grooming increased at the minutes of 10, where the otter implement the grooming on the land and above the rock in the water. Locomotion behavior of otter increased at the minutes of 15 due to activity that run by humans to gain their attention. Thus, the otter carry out various types of locomotion such as walking, running, and climbing. The otter perform vocalizing behavior almost all the time as they are attracted to their surrounding and during their playing or communication behavior with each other. Based on the bar graph, the social behavior of macaca, which include playing, chasing, and clinging activity, is decreased over time because they already actively use their energy at the early time of the observation during the arrival of human. However, the grooming and handling activity is increased over the time due to their resting time after doing the activities. For non-social behavior of macaca, feeding and foraging activities is increased at the minutes of 5 because they consume food that given by human when we start the observation. The movement of macaca is increased during the minutes of 10 as they move separately from the group to do their activities. In the nutshell, the field trip brings a lot of knowledge as we discovered the social behavior and communication aspects of the animal behavior. We learned the way on how the animals execute their behavior. All of the behavior are important for the animals in order to adapt to their surrounding to sustain their life. Besides, we are able to experience to see the uniqueness of the animal's behavior that might not be seen in humans' daily life.